be okay. Cause we're gonna make this world a better place. I'm gonna keep that smile on my face. I'm gonna teach myself how to understand. I'm gonna make myself a better man. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
We're taking a break this week, but we thought we'd pop in to tell you why we're not popping in with our travel videos. We've been at a festival now for 4 days. It's been a lot of fun meeting subscribers and catching up with friends.
Happy Dance Man.
Love you.
And listening to great music right here in our own backyard. We'll see you again next week with our travel videos. Until then, happy trails.